Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We learned what is the woven fabrics. Woven fabrics are fabrics that are produced by weaving on a loom. The fabrics are created by weaving yarns. We use a thread called a warp. This goes down the fabrics in their length and there's a weft which cross the textile. To weave the fabric, you interlace two sets of yarns at right angles to each other. That is, the warp or weft threads interlace this way on the loom to from the fabrics. What is denim fabrics? Denim fabrics, the traditional denim fabrics have indigo blue warp and white weft yarn to give them the distinctive color and appearance. Those fabrics have become a favorite clothing fabric used for everything from jeans to dress, jacket, shirts, bags, handbags, and hats. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comments, and share